Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file into a Word document. So let's have a look now. Open Microsoft Word. Click on Open and locate the PDF file that you want to convert to Word. So this is our PDF file. Click on Open. A pop-up will appear. Click on OK. Now your PDF file has been converted into Word document. To save this, click on File and then click on Save As and choose the location where you want to save this new Word file. Enter the name for your new Word file and make sure that Save As type Word document is selected. Now click on Save. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.